Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making rice water for hair growth. So all I did was put a little bit of rice in the glass and add a little bit of water. First of all, what you want to do is just put a little bit of water and rinse a little bit. I took a spoon so I can just spoon a little bit. Don't spoon too much because you don't want to get rid of the important ingredients. What we're doing now is just get rid of the waste that we don't want, because sometimes rice tend to have like black stuff in it and we don't know what germs it contains. So we want our hair to be healthy and strong and grow, So okay, sorry for not positioning the camera right, but all I was doing here was taking the rice that I put in the glass, rinse it out, put it in my bowl. There we go. Now you can see a little bit of it there. So I put the rice in the bowl that I'm going to keep my rice into the next step. So I added water. I didn't add a lot of amount of water because I didn't want a lot of rice water. So all I did was put the rice in the bowl and added a bit of water yesterday, and I'm taking it out at the exact same time, so it's really good. And then we're just going to remove I can't remember anymore, so I couldn't show you guys the wrong one. Okay, this bottle is from Origa Beauty. Okay, there's water inside, and I put this hair oil from Vartica. Yeah, shea butter and soy oil, and it strengthens and it strengthens, nourishes, and lock in moisture. So I have low porosity hair, and I need a lock in moisture because my hair doesn't really lock in moisture, and I really need that. So I put that in a Jamaican black castor oil for my neem, which is also really good for the hair growth. So right now I'm removing the rice water, the rice that I kept in the water overnight. I'm removing the rice from the water because we only need the water. So I remove all the rice and put it in a container. We can throw it away, or you don't have to use it again. And then I'm just going to show you guys. You can see how the water looks. It's all has soaked in all the ingredients, the vitamins that we need from the rice water. And as you can see, I didn't save a lot because I didn't need a large quantity. I didn't need a large quantity of the rice water because I just need to put it in my neem bottle. Okay, after that I've added my my rice water to the bottle, the Origa bottle, and inside had the Vartica oil and the neem black castor oil, which was so good for my hair. And inside there's like a container, that's why it looks a conditioner. But okay, so the rice water is mainly just to strengthen your hair and help for hair growth. And before, I found that my hair was very, very weak. Like every time I would touch it, my hair will fall out, and every time I would use all this product and it would be no change. My hair didn't grow. And so 3 months ago, I can say, like not 3 months ago, like 2 months ago, February, I think. That's when, I think February, so it's been like April now. So I think February is when I really started with the rice water. So it's about 2 months and a half that I've been using the water. I've skipped some days or weeks because I feel like rice water is known for a lot of protein, so we can't use a lot. Hey guys, so I just wanted to share with you guys how I normally do my, I don't know why I do that, but this is my bare face, no makeup. So I'm filming this video so I can prepare my hair for the time when I go to sleep, so that it can be all in the bun. So yeah, like I showed you guys how I did my rice water, and I put it in my Origa beauty bottle, so I actually loving this, the fact that this is so easy like to spray, and it's such a travel size bottle, because I actually have like a bigger bottle, but this is actually nice and cool. So I always just spray the, okay, this is the coconut, or not the coconut, the rice water, and the vertical oil and the neem castor oil. So it just really sprayed in there, and I like put it in my hood, so I can just massage it like that, and I feel like it's really working on my hair. Like this rice water, since I started, I think this is like the 3rd month I've been using it, and my hair breaks less now. Like it hardly breaks. Like we actually need to minimize the breakage. But that's what I'm taking. Can you guys see? Is it focusing? So that's how we get this. So I normally just spray it on my hair to make it soft, so that I can be able to cut nicely. And okay, yeah, it's very, very rough, so I can be able to cut nicely. Oh, it's dripping on me. Okay, that's fine. And the rice water, the reason why I mix it with all these ingredients, so that I can start using it, because I normally just wash my hair like once every 2 weeks. My hair usually was too soft, so I didn't want to like wash it a lot, so that it doesn't break, you know. So I didn't want it to break, so I would normally just wash my hair twice every week now, because I have low porosity hair, so I don't like the products to stay. I was gonna say ingredients. So I didn't want the product to stay in my hair. So this is just me I'm not really a hair blogger or like anything, but this is just me yeah, trying out products. So yeah, that I got from Click Schools, and as I was very excited, and yeah, so if you want to, then you just really do that. But my hair has grown, like it really grew. Okay, so let's do this. So I'm just going to I normally just cornrowed my hair, cornrowed and let me just do that to my hair. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, and let me just okay, and then I'm just okay, so I use this Royale, yeah, and then I use this Repair and Grow. I need this Repair Damages and Vitamin Enlarge and Break Control and its conditions. So I use this to like put at the root of my hair, so that it just really prevent my hair from breaking, you know. So, and let me just put it on the root of my hair to prevent it from breaking. Okay, let me just do this, and then oh, it feels good. So I'll just normally just do that, so that I just want to massage it on its own, and then I'm gonna go in with this Nolitiga. Okay, this is a deep moisturizing butter. This does also works very nicely on my hair. Like it just locks in. Zoom in. Don't know why it doesn't want to zoom in.
Okay, so that's it. Okay, I think this is the other way around. No, it's this way. Okay, I don't know which way is it. So okay, then I just put some it comes out like a nice soft liquid gel, so I just like put a little bit on my hair. Oh, that feels so good.